Hey guys, MD95TSI here, and we have drone drop box number 2. I did this live unboxing last night, but a lot of you wasn't there and didn't get to see it, so I'll do it again for you. So let's see what we got in here. Got some HQ props, 5x4 by 3. And we have 2 sets of those because I got a set on my quad. So, and we have the same set in blue. So we had 2 packs of orange and 1 pack of blue. We have a Team Black Sheep 5.8 gigabytes RHCP patch antenna, and that is a 5 dB gain antenna. This is just a velocity card. I figured out that that's not a simulator, it's just 5% off their website. Got some stickers in here. They give you them in every box, your stickers, usually stickers and props. This was actually not in there. I put that in there because, okay, got some battery straps. So they work really cool. Multiple, use them for whatever. Thought that was pretty cool. What else we have in here? I also put that in there. I got everything in here that I thought I would put towards what's in here. So there's an antenna, dipole, Team Black Sheep, 5.8 gigabytes, MMCX linear antenna. We have a TBS Oblivion screw set. So that kind of already tells you what's in here. And we have the Oblivion frame. This thing is, I mean, super duper tough. I've looked reviews up on it. They say it's indestructible. Racing slash, I guess, freestyle frame you could use it as, maybe. So, yeah, pretty cool. It's like all kind of stuff down in here, but I'll open it when I'm ready to use it, I believe. So that's drone drop box number 2. And this is the VTX out of the first one that this antenna goes with. So that's cool to see that you are getting parts and then they're giving you parts in other boxes to go with it. And then this is a camera for it that I have already because I'm going to build this one. I think I like the frame really much. Battery straps, stickers, and propellers. And it's always cool to get the props each month, I think, because they're all different. They give you different ones, so you get to try different ones, and that's what's given me the opportunity to understand propellers and lifting and fastness and everything. So yeah, there you go. So that's drone drop box number 2. Hopefully I'll get a number 3 and let's see what's in it. So there you go. If you're interested in this, they cost you, the subscription I think is $48 per month because it's shipping and whatnot, and they come from Ohio. That's where mine comes from. So there you go, guys. If you're interested, dronedropbox.com. Check them out. It's really cool. I've gotten really cool stuff so far. I'm really happy with it. I got these in the last box. These are the same color blue what's in here, but these are 5 by 5 by 3. To where there's 5, 1, 3 by 3 or something like that. I don't know how they say them, but you see they're different pitch. They're definitely different pitch. So, alright guys, thank you for watching. MD signing out.